I had never had sweet potato bread baked in a coffee can until I met Miss Ramona. Miss Ramona was a dear family friend and also the secretary to my family small business for 19 years. Every holiday, she would bake her sweet potato bread and give them as gifts to the staff and to my parents. She would wrap it in tin foil and put a little Christmas bow on it, and every year everyone would be so excited to receive her sweet potato bread, especially my father. After he received his personal loaf, he would enjoy it with a cup of coffee every morning during the holiday season. Miss Ramona had such a beautiful soul. She was kind, and she was the backbone of our small business for years. There are some people in this life that you simply will never forget, and Miss Ramona is one of them for me. It is impossible for me to go through this holiday season without remembering Miss Ramona, which is why I included my take on her sweet potato bread recipe, not only in this holiday series, but also in my cookbook, Memories on a Plate. Miss Ramona is someone I will never forget. She has such a beautiful impact on my life, and she also created beautiful memories on a plate for my family.